Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious shake. I actually have some of my favorite flavors. You can make this just shaken up in a shaker cup, but most people like it in a blender. So here's what you're gonna do, okay? You're actually gonna put a cup of water, or a little more, okay? And the more ice you use, the thicker it's going to be, okay? So personally, I like to put, well, I don't do this much ice, but what you're gonna do first, you're gonna put the shake in. So we're gonna do banana caramel. FYI, this is like my favorite flavor in the whole wide world. So you're gonna do 2 scoops of this, okay? I have it with chocolate protein. You can mix it with vanilla protein or the peanut protein, but with the chocolate protein, it's so good. So 2 scoops of that, okay? Now, once it's there we go. We're gonna add Prolessa in a little bit. We're gonna do 1 cup of ice. Okay, again, the more ice you put, the thicker it's going to be, and we are going to blend it. And again, now, we're gonna add Prolessa. So you see I added a lot of ice, so it's really thick. So this Prolessa, you guys, is gonna help to burn your belly fat. It controls your appetite. It also helps to burn all the fat around your stomach and your back, okay? But you cannot mix it from the beginning. So what you wanna do is once the shake is blended, you wanna head and put 1. If you feel like it's too icy, you can always put more water. If you feel it's too watery, you can always put more ice, okay? So you can adjust it however you want, and then you just pour it in there and mix it up. Oh, make sure this up. There we go. And that's it, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it in a cup and grab, so look at how thick this shake is. Again, it's depending on how thick you want it, will depend on how much water and how much ice. If you like it thick like this, you can put it, less water, more ice. A lot of people like to eat it. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, a lot of people like to have a big thick straw. Either way, you want to make sure you enjoy it. So again, this is completely customizable to your personal taste. The thicker you want it, less water, more ice. The more soft you want it, more water, less ice. I hope you enjoy.